Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two note-taking app, which is Joplin and Obsidian. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Joplin is a dependable open source note-taking app that prioritizes privacy and offline access. It supports markdown, encryption, and synchronization through your choice of cloud services, which make it ideal for users who value data control. However, its interface feels dated and it lacks the advanced linking or visual tools found in newer PKM apps. Obsidian, in contrast, is a powerhouse for connected thinking, while with backlink, plugin, and a graph view. It turns Node into a dynamic web of ideas. It's perfect for researchers and writers that can feel overwhelming at first. Overall, Joplin is best for open source, simple note management, while Obsidian wins for customization and knowledge linking. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.